Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my Ube ice cream. So this is my first time. It's very simple. You can make it from your own kitchen. So yes, I'm gonna show you how to make this. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel at Chic Style. Today I'm gonna be making some Ube ice cream for you. So I have my little pot here. I'm going to use the reduced cream, and this is the Ube flavor, which is the purple yam jam. And I'm gonna add a little bit of condensed milk. So these are the only ingredients. It's very simple. You can make them at home. So right now I'm using my mixer. So if you have this at home, you can use it, or you can just do it manually, but it's probably better to use that one. Open this up. So this is the cream. This is thick enough. So that's the cream. Now I'm gonna mix it with the mixer. So you need to keep mixing the spice until it sort of thickens it more. I think it's not getting any thicker because I think this is like a it's not really a very thick cream.
You got some cream on your boobies.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll clean it up after. So right now I'm just gonna add a little bit of I'm going to add some condensed milk.
So what is this recipe called again?
Ube ice cream.
Oh.
Your favorite.
Okay. Sure it's not called cardiac ward call.
So it's a little bit. Okay, so I've already added some condensed milk here. I'm gonna start mixing again.
Is it supposed to make that noise?
Yeah, okay. The ube yam is already quite sweet, so we don't want to make it too sweet. This one here, I'm going to add some of these. So I'm just going to start with 2 tablespoons.
Are you supposed to add it gradually?
Well, it depends. It will change the color.
So are you looking for a particular color?
Purple.
Oh, okay.
So when everything turns purple, then it should be fine. I don't have ube syrup.
Do you know hang on, let me say this. Let me think this out fast without saying the word titties. You and your oh my god, so much ube. you and your top match the ube, so you want the ube ice cream to look like your top.
Yeah, exactly. I wore this top because we're making ube ice cream.
Oh, I thought you wore this top to show off your boobies.
No, there's not enough cleavage there. So you see how it's turning purple now? You want it to turn a little bit purple. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, it needs more ube in it. Definitely need more. Don't worry, baby. You're gonna buy some more of these.
But that's my ube jam.
Or hello next time.
It's been focusing on your cleavage the whole time.
Can you see it's turning purple now? Give it a taste.
So when it makes that duck noise, is that like? Is that like? Can I try doing that? Yeah, you hold the camera.
Tell me what you think.
Tastes like ube ice cream. Yeah, fine as it is. Don't put too much because it's like fully ubeed.
Yeah, just a little bit more.
Oh, you're finishing on my ube.
See, there's some sort of syrup at the bottom, so I'm gonna pour this so it turns more purple.
Why don't you just chuck the whole thing in there?
No, because I'm going to leave some for you.
Well,
No, it's not really coming out.
yeah, you might as well just chuck the whole lot in there. So is that grinding noise that you hear when you're mixing, is that you adding stainless steel flavorings to it? How long are you supposed to do this for?
It depends. Not very long.
So basically just keep doing it until you get like carpal tunnel syndrome, then you stop? I think it's thoroughly incorporated, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. It's not too sweet.
This is a very, very messy exercise.
Yummy.
So what do you do now? Do you like freeze it or?
Yeah, we need to freeze it. Probably show it to you later or tomorrow when it turns into an ice cream.
So how long does it need to set for? 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours?
I really don't know. We're just gonna have to check if it turns into ice cream.
But isn't if you leave it too long, it'll turn into ice block? Ube ice cream 0.8. It'll be 1 as soon as it freezes over. Okay, so what are you doing now aside from licking the spoon?
Okay, so right now I'm just gonna pour this into this container.
Do you need to like cover it with foil or something, or?
This better turn out nice. Okay, so this is my first ube ice cream.
Yep.
The cream that I use is not very thick. It's not thick enough, so we'll just find out how it will turn out. Right?
So, are you going to tell your viewers that because it's for you, that's why you're licking the spoon and...
Yeah, it's for me and for you.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna scoop this ice cream. This was made yesterday. Last night it's been sitting inside the freezer. Wow. It's definitely frozen. It's still quite hard.
I think that's enough for a taste test.
Don't
Okay,
really
I think
care.
that'll be your share, that'll be my share.
Do you want to dish up for yourself?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay guys, let me show you how you properly scoop ice cream. Watching? Watch. So this is how you properly scoop the ice cream. You're supposed to get it in sort of a circular lump.
Yeah, because you're an expert.
Like that.
So,
So if you don't really have an ice cream scoop, you can just keep scraping it through and you get it in a nice little round lump.
yeah.
I think this thing needs to thaw for a while.
Well, it's been inside the freezer for...
Oh, it is scooping like ice cream.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Kind of reminds me of gelato, actually.
Well, quick tip for any of you who want to visit Italy. Well, that's if Italy ever opens its borders again after COVID. Don't buy gelato from those little gelato stands out in the summer heat by Venice, because you're going to end up getting sick.
Yeah, that's true. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, okay, taste it because it's melting.
Oh, okay.
Thick?
Came out very good, baby. It tastes exactly like ube.
It does, eh? I'm impressed.
Came out exactly.
But I think next time I gotta use a different cream. Not the reduced cream, a different one. Because in the
Actually, it
Philippines...
tastes better than ube ice cream that you buy because you can taste 100% ube in it.
I'll tell them that. So what's your verdict?
Very good. Tastes a lot better than the ube ice cream you buy because you can actually taste the real ube inside. It's not just ube flavoring. You get little chunks of ube in it as well.
That's so true. So I recommend if you're gonna make ube ice cream, it's better to use the ube yam. Was it ube yam Himalaya? Was it the name of the brand?
Ube yam. It's ube jam made from purple yams.
Yeah, purple yams. So because you can really taste the actual ube as compared to if you buy the ube flavoring, the purple syrup. Yeah, that's what I used yesterday, and it tastes real ube.
It's a lot richer.
It is.
Came out very good, baby.
Yeah? Is this better than what you had in the Philippines?
Yeah, it's a lot better than the ice cream there. Because it tastes like vanilla ice cream with ube flavoring. This you can actually taste the...
You need to speak up.
I'm pretty sure the camera recorded me rather.
Yeah, well you need to just say it louder.
It's way better than the ube ice cream. Because the ice cream tastes kind of like normal ice cream with just a bit of ube flavoring. Which is still good, but...
But which one are you referring to? Because you're talking about ice cream, you're not really saying like this ice cream or the one you tasted in the Philippines or this ice cream, you're saying ice cream.
I just said now it's way better than the ube ice cream that you normally get because it tastes like ice cream with flavor in it.
Yeah, but we don't buy ice cream, ube ice cream here. But you've never even tasted what an ube ice cream in New Zealand
because you can't get ube ice cream.
Yeah, you can't get ube ice cream here. That's what I'm saying. You need to be specific.
Where else in the
with
world
them.
do you buy ube ice cream from but the Philippines?
Yeah, maybe some people don't know that it's ube is popular. Ube ice cream is like kind of Filipino dessert thing. Not everyone knows that, so you have to tell them. You have to say in the video that the ube ice cream I tasted in the Philippines is different as compared to this type of ube ice cream. Because yeah, I understand the ube ice cream in the Philippines. I'm not discrediting that they don't taste good. They're good. It depends on the brand because some brand in the Philippines, ube ice cream is really good.
Alright, calm down before you get to 0 to 60 neg. In the Philippines, when you go to some fast food places like Jollibee, you get ube ice cream. That is very nice. It's very tasty. But it tastes like normal vanilla ice cream with a whole bunch of ube flavor, which is awesome. This tastes a lot better because you can actually taste the ube inside. There's little chunks of ube inside. And probably a few pieces of stainless steel from which you was mixing it like you're trying to kill the
Whatever!
But it's a lot better than that type of ice cream. I'm not saying that the ube ice cream in the Philippines is crap, not by a long shot. The stuff that you get in the restaurants and stuff, that's really good as well.
Yeah.
This tastes really nice because of the actual ube in it. It's not just the syrup or the flavor. Is that explanatory enough? Or should I describe which part of the Philippines and which Jollibee we ate it in? I gotta say because the ube is my favorite. Where else in the world can you buy
Yeah, but
ube?
maybe not everyone knows where the ube ice cream is from. Next time I'm gonna make avocado ice cream. I forgot to buy some avocado. Or mango ice cream with real mango, because I love mango. So I'm gonna make that next time.
Ube is like a Filipino delicacy. You don't get it like elsewhere.
Yeah, I've never really seen ube anywhere else. Not even in any other Asian countries.
You probably get it in the Pacific Islands. They'll probably have it because yams are quite popular as a dish in a lot of those places.
I wish they had ube in Italy though. They've got all the other flavors, but not ube. When we were like eating gelato and that.
Good job, baby. Okay, am I done with the commentary now? Do you want me to describe parts of the Philippines that you're going to have to buy?
So Someone's loving my ube ice cream. Is it your new favorite now?
It's good. So you can tell that this part of ube came from one of the rural farms. Not like how wine snobs can taste wine, like you can taste the seasoning of the grapes. It was grown during the autumn season or some bullshit like that. Okay, I'm gonna go away now because eating on camera is not very enjoyable.
Are you gonna leave me eating by myself?
No.
No, don't. You just wet my forehead with the ube, now it's all sticky.
But that's a love kiss.
So I'm eating by myself, guys. I can't really eat too much because we just had dinner and I think I scooped quite a lot.
What?
Can't finish it.
Why not?
I ate too much.
Okay, I'll finish it.
Finish it. Wait, one more. We just had dinner, remember?
That's never stopped you before.
Yeah, and also I need to take my meds for my ear infection.
Don't tell the viewers about your ear infection. They'll think it's because you're using a machine.
Alright babes, I am done.
Okay, it's done, it's finished.
I hope you enjoyed my ube my ube ice cream.
So before, when she was nagging me, this is what I was referring to. Can you see the little tiny dots and pieces of ube?
Is it showing on the screen?
Yeah, it is. The little dots, those little dotty pieces inside. That's actual real ube.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, you don't normally get that in the ice cream. It's normally just an ube flavoring. So that's what I was talking about. I mean, if you like ice creams with bits and chunks of chocolate and stuff like that, like having a bit of that texture in your mouth when you're having the ice cream, that's what you get from the homemade stuff. There's nothing wrong with the store-bought stuff. It's awesome. It's easy.
But this is quick and simple. It's homemade.
Yeah, and the best part is with the store-bought stuff, you don't have to wait 24 hours. But here, it tastes a lot better, and sometimes that wait is a little. Sometimes that wait is worth it. This is one of those cases.
Yeah, and we ate quite a lot already. See. Yeah, there's like real ube stuff in here, guys. It's amazing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my first ube ice cream. This is the first time I've ever made homemade ube ice cream and I'm really surprised. It's a success. Next time I'm gonna make real mango ice cream and avocado ice cream. What else? Oh, I'm gonna make some avocado ice cream because that's also one of my favorites. And yes, so I hope you enjoyed this little cooking series with Chic style. I think I'm gonna do more of this cooking show, making desserts and cooking with me, even though I'm not really a good cook, but I'm just gonna cook more often now and trying new different dish. Even doing it for the first time in front of the camera, in front of you guys. So while I'm learning and you're also learning, you know, I don't care if I'm making mistakes because it's part of the learning process, right? This one here I added cream. I think it's called reduced cream. I think some people use a different kind of cream. I have to go back to the supermarket and see all kinds of other creams instead of the reduced cream. If you don't want your ice cream to be too sweet, just don't put too much condensed milk because the actual ube yam jam is already sweet enough. So even with this one, this is already quite too sweet for me, so maybe next time I'm not even gonna add condensed milk at all. I just want you guys to let me know what other suggestions you'd like to recommend for my next video.